My name is Sarah White, and I'm the Internet Sales Manager for my dealership. Previously, I didn't have too much management training. I was a business and finance manager, so I did go through specific training for that, but nothing quite as like this. It's hard to pick just one. You're learning so much in all the training, but I think the biggest thing is a plan, a strategy. Kind of if we're a team and a sports team, we have a playbook now, as opposed to what I try and steer away from word tracks, but it's our plan. So we actually have a specific plan to follow when we get a phone up, as opposed to scrambling and not knowing what to say. So it makes us more prepared and more professional. Did I feel like it was worthwhile to spend time away from the dealership for the training? 100%. Only get better through training, and training is always ongoing, and if it's something that we're encouraging the sales staff to do, then we have to lead by example, so it's 100% worth it. In our industry especially, I would recommend this training for others because a lot of the times people get promoted because they are the top of their sales team, they sell the most, but it doesn't necessarily mean that they have the skills required to manage others to do that well. So that's where I think that key piece comes in, is it teaches you how to manage people effectively.